Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my nighttime routine. So starting off, we are going with the Estee Lauder Cleansing Balm. It's one of my favorite makeup removers. It's like you see, it's like a oil based balm. Well, it's kind of almost like a coconut oil. It's solid, and then once you rub it in your hands and rub it on your face, it kind of turns into an oil, and it kind of dissolves all, well, not kind of, it does dissolve all of your makeup, and it's just the easiest and most efficient way that I have found to remove all of my makeup. And yeah, it's just really relaxing. I have really sensitive eyes. Not that it doesn't burn my eyes or anything, but I can't stand anything to be like around my eyes. So right now I'm just rinsing everything off, and I'm going in with the Derma Kadadu. This is kind of like a 3-in-1. It's like a cleanser, toner type of thing. I bought this like a while ago for on a vlog, and I told you guys how I was going to try it out, and so far I still really like it. I'm glad that I do because it was really expensive. But if you guys want to check out this brand, Derma, for the most part, I don't know if it's at Sephora, but it's definitely at Ulta. That's where I got it from. So now we're about to rinse one more time, and I'm going to go in with the paper towel. I don't really like using towels, like actual towels, to dry my face because, you know, bacteria and stuff. And then you're already going to get like a you're going to get a towel dirty with like makeup, and it's always hard to wash out. So I always use paper towels. I feel like it's a little bit more absorbent that way. Now I'm going in with the Derma Kadadu. This is going to be like a serum. It's a vitamin C serum, and it's a vitamin C night serum, I should say. And I put it all over my face, and it's going to help with brightness and dark spots and all that stuff. So I really like this serum. I believe that it's been helping my skin a lot. I feel like my skin's a lot brighter, and my dark spots have faded like significantly. I don't use it every single day. It is safe enough for you to use every single day. I just don't because I'm lazy, but I'm pretty positive that if I was very consistent with it and used it every day, my dark spots would probably be gone. But yeah, so now I'm pretty much it. That's all I do with my face. Really quick, really simple, really easy. While I let that serum soak into my face, I'm just going to take my bun down. So I'm just taking out all the bobby pins that I have in there. If you guys want to see a bun, like a really quick bun tutorial, just let me know in the comments and I'll do it. I'll let you guys know. So right now I'm just taking out the bun, and I'm just going to detangle my ponytail just so it's not like super hard when I take the ponytail holder out of my hair. So and I always love taking down my buns or my ponytails because it's always so tight, and it's just it's a sigh of relief when I'm able to take my ponytail down. As you can see, I was definitely over it. And then I always like to massage my hair after I take my ponytails down because like I said before, my ponytails are pretty tight. That's how I prefer them. Not super tight, but tight enough where I feel like they're secure. So that's why I always rub my scalp when I'm done taking out the ponytail, just to, you know, give my edges a little bit of relief and have them chill out for a bit. So now that I've detangled my hair, I'm just gonna roll it up into a quick little like bun or whatever, and then I'm gonna put on my nightcap. So that's it, guys. That's my whole night routine. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.